Hey guys, Andrew with RCBS. Today we're going to talk about the RCBS turret press.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
This is a great press for the guy who's getting into the multi-stages of reloading. This is the press that's designed for the guy who's looking for the opportunity to have multiple die stations readily available at their fingertips. To install, we're going to take the press. We're using our available RCBS accessory base blade. Next, we're going to mount the press handle. Now there's two mounting holes. There's a left side and a right side. For most right-handed operators, I'd recommend using the right side hole. We're going to mount the priming system. The priming system mounts to the left side of the press. For the loader who likes to prime on the press, the RCBS turret press includes the priming station. Then we'll thread on the safety tube onto the primer dispenser. Lastly, if you do want to mount the spent priming catch, you certainly can. Mounts to the right side of the press. The compact 6-station turret head of the RCBS turret press allows the user to perform multiple functions from the same press, or the turret heads can be easily replaced for the user to perform tasks with multiple calibers. To replace the turret head, you simply use the turret advancement tool. There's a hole in the turret head bolt. Loosen, remove the bolt, and simply lift the turret head off. The advantage with this is if you had multiple calibers you're loading for, or calibers with multiple functions, you could have separate turret heads available at your need. To replace the turret head, simply put the turret head back on the reloading press, put your bolt through, and tighten it down. Give it one last snug with the tool. The RCBS turret press is great for the person who wants to have the simplicity of a single stage, but some of the benefits of a progressive press. If you have any questions, comment below. For everything else, visit us over at rcbs.com.